Hello viewers, welcome to Splunk tutorials. Now that we have seen our installation of the Splunk enterprise instance on Windows platforms in our previous videos, so let's proceed with exploring the Splunk. So let's look into the user interface of the Splunk. Let's log in into that. So as already discussed, so this is the home page of the Splunk, and the left side window which you can see are the app section. So what are Splunk apps? So Splunk apps are bundle of configurations. So Splunk apps are bundle of configurations. So apps allow different workspaces. So for different use case or specific use cases to exist on a single Splunk instance. Okay, so these are the apps that help us to achieve our use cases, specific use cases using these bundles of configurations. So let's go into our search and reporting app, and please note that this search and reporting app is default app given by the Splunk during installation. So if you want to install more apps, you can just click on this manage apps button. So you will be taken to the apps screen. Here you can see all the different apps. If you want to install or if you want to browse more apps, you can just go here. It will redirect to splunk.com website. So here it is. So you can see multiple apps. This is the splunkbase.com. So this is like a app store or play store for our Android. Okay, so these are the different apps that is present in the Splunk base. So for example, if you want to install an app or if you want to work on data that is related to Cisco appliances, so to process that Cisco data, you will need an app that will support that data. So you will search for Cisco.